The anatomy of Cisco Programmable Fabric. The first piece we need to take a look at is the foundation of the house. So here we have the hardware infrastructure, which is Nexus 9000 through 2000 series product family. On top of that, we have a standards-based VXLAN data plane and EVPN BGP control plane. Once we have that foundation, we have 4 pillars to focus on. We have underlay management, which I still need to build an underlay IP network, and we're going to go into great detail on what it means and the things to consider in building your underlay. Overlay management, so from a VXLAN data plane and EVPN, I need to go ahead and provision and monitor the overlay configuration and infrastructure. Hybrid overlay, so how do I integrate, if I choose to do physical and virtual-based overlay. And then we have interdomain and multi-fabric. All customers have a multi-data center, multi-fabric strategy. So how do we interconnect the different pods or sites in a secure, scalable fashion, and optimizing traffic flows as well. On top of all of that, if you look here, here's the roof of the house. We have an open set of APIs. I'm not going to list them all, but we have the NX API, we have Python, we have OpenStack, just to name a few. So you can pick the protocol of choice to sort of automate and orchestrate the programmable fabric. If I look at the programmable fabric architecture, again, I'm going to start at the foundation of a consistent Nexus product family. So on top of those building blocks, that foundation, we have endpoints that attach into the fabric. The endpoints can be physical servers, they can be physical security appliance. In this example, it's a physical firewall. It could be a load balancer, content delivery network, etc. that plugs into the physical infrastructure here. We have virtual server hypervisor integration, and you can pick your type of hypervisor and integration piece here. Then you have the DCI WAN integration, to where we can stitch services and connectivity between multi-site, multi-pod from a DCI WAN perspective, and integrate into other things such as MPLS-based VPNs and locator ID separation protocol, things and services that sit outside of the fabric. We can also automate and orchestrate them from a central point of management, again with Puppet, Chef, and Ansible type solution sets. And then everything sitting on top of that, again, is sitting with the NX API that, again, is pervasive across this foundation here on the bottom, with a centralized controller to help with the provisioning of the tenants, overlay, configuration for the BGP EVPN address family, as well as the VXLAN data plane or VTEPs.